Okay, you guys, I asked you in my last video if you wanted to see my fall clothing haul, and only my sister responded. She said yes. So, Clara, this is for you. I'm just kidding, but I'm not kidding because she was literally the only one who said yes. But you guys, oh my gosh, I first need to take a pause and say hello and welcome. There are so many new, I was gonna say faces, but I can't see you, people here, and I am so excited. Friends here, you guys, I am so thankful for each and every single comment that you guys wrote on my last post. Honestly, I told Kristen that this has been a prayer of mine, was to have a community and to have that correspondence. Is that the word? Is that only like when you're writing letters? To just have that conversation in my comments happening, because I was kind of lacking it a little bit. There's several of you who comment regularly and I'm so appreciative, but honestly last week was just such a blessing. That's the only way I can say it. I was so thankful. So hello and welcome, and I hope you guys like it here and I hope you'll stay. Okay, but seriously, I do have a fall clothing haul for you guys. I don't really switch out my wardrobe that much. I've had pieces that I've had forever, but I am a fall sweater girl. So I do appreciate a good cozy sweater. And I feel like I probably add one to my wardrobe, maybe two every season. And then, you know, things come in and out of fashion. I try not to be that person. Like, I'm not a fast fashion person, I don't feel like, but I buy something sometimes because I think it looks cute, and then I've had it for a little bit and, you know, body changes with babies or whatever, and it's just it's not my favorite anymore. So I realized that my closet was lacking a little bit in long sleeve sweaters and some that are just like a little bit thinner. I've got a lot of great like chunky knits because I am from Canada. Speaking of which, you guys, oh my gosh, you guys, I have to update you. So I told you in my last video as well that we were looking for a home, and there was that specific home that I couldn't talk about. Well, update, Brad got his credit. I'm sorry, I know that I just like bamboozled right into that, but I'm just so excited I have to tell you. Brad got his credit. We actually put an offer on the house last night. When you guys are watching this, it'll be Sunday, but this is Friday. So Thursday night we put an offer in. They countered back this morning, and the counter price that they came at us with was the highest we wanted to go. So we're trying to get them to go a little bit lower. So things are looking good. So hopefully the next video that you guys see will be we bought a house. I don't know, who knows? You guys, I'm so excited. But thank you for your prayers, for those of you who said you were praying. Guys, I'm gonna show a couple pictures because I need to show you guys like what I'm talking about. This 100-year-old Victorian home, it is amazing, it is gorgeous, the crown molding, everything, and if I could get my hands on this, it would be a beautiful thing, you guys. We would have so much fun making over this house together, but I digress. But I needed to update you guys on that because I know some of you were probably thinking about it. So I actually went to a couple thrift stores. I'll show you guys some footage of where I went and what I saw, and then I'll show you what I picked up. And I also went to Texas. I had a great time in Texas with my sister, Texas, and we did some shopping, and I had no children with me. So normally when I go thrifting, I'm like frames, plates, baskets, and then I gotta get out of there because I've got 4 kids with me. This time, no children, just me. So I was just going through those racks, having the time of my life. It was amazing. We hit so many thrift stores. So I found some great things there, and I want to show you guys. I'm so excited. So let's just go ahead and get into this haul. So the first thing I'm going to show you is actually what I'm wearing. So it is just a white tee and some green pants. And normally I would hold it up for you, but I'm wearing it, so I'll do like a full body shot in a second. But I was really looking for some fun pants because I am a jeans girl. Jeans are comfortable to me. I have like stretchy jeans, and I have like 2 pairs that I rotate through. I really do not have a lot of pants. And I was just like, you know what? Look at those cute girls up there. They've got their cute colored pants and their cute little white shirts, and I want to try that out. And God was like, here, go ahead and try it out on a budget. So I found these pants, I think were like $4. This t-shirt was $2.50. I think it was on sale half price. I may have even been like $1.50. I don't even know. I'm gonna show you guys. It's super cute. Okay, it's my first time doing one of these, so I'm not that great at it yet. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm very far away. I need like a wide angle lens or something. Also, I just found this chair for $6 at Goodwill this morning. Could not let that go because it would look good in the house that we can talk about now because we put an offer on it. That's so exciting. Okay, so I got this, like I said, white t-shirt. This is from Target, A New Day. I really like the line. I really like the feeling of it. And then these pants are, I think these are actually Target as well. I think so. And just super cute, cozy, comfy. I love that I can eat my Thanksgiving meal and not have to worry about it. So it's perfect for fall. Those pumpkin donuts at the fair, pumpkin patch. Anyways, really love this outfit. I thought it was super cute, super fresh. Look at me. Let's go. I also meant to tell you guys, those orange pumpkins I showed you in last week's video, I actually did a cool little like faux ceramic trick with them, craft project, I have no idea what words are, and I made them over. So I turned them into pretty little white pumpkins because white is my favorite color. I know it's not like really a color, but it's my favorite. And it was super easy. So I have it on Instagram. If you guys want to see that, it's in a reel. I will have it linked down below for you guys and you guys can check it out. But super cute, super easy. You could do this in any color and it just kind of gives it that faux ceramic look. I think it's too white to show up on camera, but just gives it like a pretty texture. So try that out. Super inexpensive, super fun. You could do this with kids. And again, any color, you could add polka dots, whatever. I just want to show you because I saw them out in the corner of my eye and I was like, I'm gonna forget about that. So just tell them. Okay, moving on. So I found this at my favorite local thrift store. This was $7 and it is the brand Wool, excuse me, the tag's covering the name, Woolverse. I can't see it. Oh, Wool Overs. There's still a tag on it. It doesn't have the price that what it should have been. And I am trying to be more silk. Is this like a real brand? Silk and cotton. I am trying to be more conscious of the fabrics that I'm putting on my body, like cotton and wool and linen. Fabric all has a frequency, and that sounds kind of like new age vibey. I promise it's not, but it matters what we wear, and a lot of our stuff is made with plastic, especially like rayon and like polyester and that kind of stuff. So I'm trying to be more conscious. I'm not perfect. Still a ton of stuff in my closet. There may be some stuff here that I got, but I'm just letting you know that I'm trying, and that's all that matters, right? You guys, it's just trying. So, okay, cardigan time. This I love. So cozy. Pockets. I love pockets. Obsessed. I don't like using that word. It's overused, but I love it. I love it so much. It has like a ribbed detail as well. Very nice quality. Very pretty. Really, 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 really like this. And I love this green color. It's obviously very in right now, but I do love it. Okay, and then the next set of stuff I'm going to show you is all from one Goodwill. I'm not kidding. I did an amazing job. I was so proud of myself. My kids were losing it a little bit. I did have my 4 kids with me. This was not the Texas trip, but this was a Goodwill, and yeah, they were... sometimes you have to sacrifice a little bit of sanity in order to do what you want. So anyway, so this is from the company Saddle Bread. It is a large 100% cotton, and I really like the color. I thought this would be super cute, like oversized, and then if I rolled up the sleeves. I really, really love this color. I think it looks good on me. Maybe I'm wrong. You guys tell me. But I thought if it didn't work out for me, my husband could wear it because it was in the women's section. But it's not at all like womanly, if that makes sense, but it's not like obviously manly. So I think it could work for either of us. So I picked that one up. Okay, it's definitely oversized, but I think it's cute. Like, even if it was me stealing my husband's sweater, like if he ends up wearing this too, I just think it's adorable. It's very like, will you meet me at the campus library and we can go over our notes? Right? Okay, this one I was so excited about because it's such a pretty cable knit sweater. This is Croft & Barrel large. It's Croft & Barrel from Kohl's, or is that somewhere else? It's 100% cotton, and it unfortunately does have a little bit of, oh, my white is so white on camera. It has some yellow staining around the collar, which means that someone really must have loved this sweater or they were playing tennis in it. Who knows? But my mom is really good at getting stains out, so I'm gonna try shouting that out, or if I have to. I don't really love using bleach, but if I have to for one occasion just to get the stain out, then I will. But it has a really pretty texture that I'll show you guys up close. And again, I just thought this would look so cute with like a pair of jeans for the fall time, picking pumpkins, sipping cider, eating those donuts. It is super Christmas cozy. You guys, I'm gonna set the scene for you with each outfit in case you didn't know that. But I think this one's adorable. My mailman is dropping off letters. Hello. Thank God I'm not in the middle of changing my shirt. That would be embarrassing. I just think this is super cute, super cozy. If I can get the stains out, I will be so happy. This just makes me cooler, right? Like when I put it closer on my fingers, like, hey guys, like, oh my gosh, as opposed to like, hi guys, like no coolness here, right? Like this, it's like so much cooler. All right, you guys, I love this one. This one I love, love. My mailman is definitely watching, so. Hey, Tom. His name's not Tom. For some reason, I've recently been drawn towards purple. Last season, when I was at Goodwill, I got 2 purple sweaters. One was from American Eagle and one was from somewhere else. and I liked them, and I like never wear purple ever. And so when I saw this one and it was a higher quality, this is from, I think it's at Nordstrom. Yeah, Nordstrom Women's Tailored Clothing. Please don't be hand wash, warm water. See, I can't do that. See, this one's wool, which is cool, but yeah, it is harder to wash. So if you guys have any tips on washing wool, let me know. I am new to this. But again, it was just a really great brand name. Not that I like care about brand names, but I feel like a lot of the times their clothing is just made better and it lasts longer. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, this was just a really pretty color. It may be too much for me. I don't know. You guys let me know when I try it on for you. But again, just gorgeous and wool. And so I said, yes, please. Again, like $4 for this. How can you beat the thrifting prices? I don't understand when people don't thrift. I'm like, you do understand that everything that you're finding, you can find at the thrift store for a fraction of the cost, except for the fact that they're raising prices sometimes. But that's beside the point. Well, this is a turtleneck if I ever saw one myself. It's like, it's not tight, but it's just clingy. This is like the first time that I'm seeing myself in some of these. I don't know. Maybe. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what we think of me in purple. Does it work? Does it not? Sometimes I feel like my hair goes with colors, but my face is too pale. Who knows? Hi guys, like, just fall. Love it. Okay, this one isn't as fall-ish. I feel like it's a good transition piece, but it's probably more spring just because of how light the blue is, but I got it the same day, so I wanted to show you guys. But this is just like a Target blue dress, a simple slip. I figured I could wear like a tank underneath or something like that. And even if I wanted to, I could pair this with a cute cardigan and put some boots on, but it was just super cute. And I thought it would be super easy for any season, not winter. And did I mention that it's cute? I love the blue on this one. It definitely comes down low, like I said. Scandalous. So I would definitely need to wear like a bandeau or something underneath, but I love the color, love the flowness, the ease of it. I did keep my jeans on, spoiler alert, but cute and just fresh and easy. All right, next we have this one is by a brand called Cece, which is probably like a Marshalls or something. It says it's $79, which really, you sure about that? So again, this may be like a Kohl's thing or something. This one is 75% cotton, 25% nylon. Not horrible, but it was so pretty. And it has really pretty, almost like dot detailing on the sleeves, and it's see-through, and then the middle part is thicker, and I just thought it was so cute. And I need some more descriptive terms other than cute. Okay, here's the sweater. I forgot to mention that I got blue jeans as well from a random thrift store in Texas. These were Banana Republic, $1.50, $1.50. Can't buy a drink for that price, $1.50. This is the white shirt with the pretty little polka dots. How cute. So cute. Can you guys see me? Like, maybe nicer pants, but like sitting down and like, oh my gosh, yes, this Christmas season has been so blessed and wonderful. We're so thankful. Right? Right. Okay, last up at that Goodwill. Did I tell you that I did good at that Goodwill, or did I tell you that I did good at that Goodwill? I did good at that Goodwill. This one was Calvin Klein, and it feels like it's linen, but I think it's a mix if I remember correctly when I was looking at the tag. Yeah, linen and then viscose. So it's 55% linen. Again, I'm not a perfect person. You'll learn this about me, especially if you're new here, which there's a lot of new people here. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful you guys all click subscribe. That meant so much to me. It was just a really pretty dress with the buttons. Again, I feel like this would be a really cute, we're in North Carolina, so like fall is not freezing here. I'm used to Canada where it's like summer, fall, freezing. Much different here. So I just thought that this would be super cute with like, you know, like a chunky scarf or something like that. Some cute little booties. I can see it now. My gosh, my Pinterest board is coming to life in my head. Okay, for this one, I need you guys to be honest with me, but nice. Tell me in the comments down below if I am like, what is this? Or does that feel weird? That space feels weird. Anyways, if I am like pulling this off, or if I look like I'm gonna go sell Girl Scout cookies. Because that was the first vibe I got when I put it on. It was like, troop leader at your service, Thin Mints or samosas. Samoas. You can't have samosas. You're too young. Okay, sorry. Samoas. But it has pockets and I love it. I think it's cute. Again, I want to try it with a belt. Let me grab a belt. World War II vibes, I'm also getting those vibes as well. Like again, I think it's super cute, but it's just throwing me. This is the belt. I might need a darker one because the buttons are darker, like the browns don't match, but I like it feeling a little bit more tailored. But anyways, you guys, put in your cookie order. Let me know what you want down below. and I'll get it to you by Friday. Okay, and then my 2 Texas finds, I had only a carry-on. I was flying Spirit. Have you guys flown Spirit? You can only have a bag like this big, otherwise you gotta pay money, and I don't wanna pay money. I was saving money, obviously, because I'm buying stuff at the thrift store. Even if I had money, I would still shop here because I love it so much. Okay, you guys, I'm just so excited you're here. Can you tell? But because of that, I can only buy a few things. Also, what? These pants have a hole in them. Anyways, that's totally fine. These are from the Loft. They're a size small, and these were 100% cotton. I remember them saying that. They were size small though, which these don't look like a small to me. So we will see how these work out. But I was just excited again for cotton shorts that looked super cute. I love this color. Super cute. And I just thought they'd be easy to throw on. Not exactly fall, but like the color, I feel like that's more fall-ish. Okay, these are the shorts. Definitely not a small or even a medium, truthfully. And it stinks because I really like these. I thought that they would be cute and easy breezy cover girl shorts, you know, but unfortunately they like want to fall down. So I'm just gonna change out of these. And then last but not least, these are Pudola pants. Now these are polyester, so don't get mad at me. But again, just like living that girl lifestyle of that Pinterest girl with her Starbucks. I don't drink Starbucks, but you know what I mean? Like just cute pants and being like, hey, let's do things together. So I just thought that those were super cute, super comfy. I have already worn these, so I know that they are both cute and comfy, but I will still show you guys how they look on. Okay, these are the I literally can't remember. Poopalala, something pants. Super comfortable and lightweight, and if I ever decided to take up running, which will never happen in my life, I probably shouldn't wear these, but I could run in these. So super cute, I like them. I'm a liar, I lied, one more. I got this bag. I have been wanting a nice, so I am like pretty much out of the diaper bag season, which is a beautiful place to be. I appreciate and I love babies, but that diaper bag, as handy as it is, I don't know why I just don't like it. Maybe because I don't even know. I don't even know why I don't like it, but I'm at the point now where we've got just our little son and he's the only one in diapers, and I'm just like, give me a wipe, give me a diaper, and we're done. I mean, I do need the diaper bag for church and all that stuff, but I wanted something where I can throw a diaper in and a wipe in, maybe 2 diapers, because you never know, children. There have been many accidents. And we can just, you know, get on with our lives. So leather bags are very expensive, and I asked one for Christmas, but it's very expensive and it wasn't necessary, and so we just said, forget about it. But I found this one at the thrift store for just a couple dollars. It is Target Universal Thread, so it's very basic, but I just thought the color was really pretty. I do like wearing my bags like side saddle. I don't know what the things I say. Side saddle. No, I said it again. It doesn't make any sense. I do like wearing them crossbody. See, if I'm gonna be this fashionista girl, I have to know the lingo, and I don't. I just thought that it would be super easy. I could put my stuff in, look super cute on the road, and off we go. Anyways, you guys, I need to end this because I just have too much fun with you and I go a little goofy and crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this fall clothing haul. I hope it got you inspired. I am excited now. I was about to say pause because I wasn't excited for fall. I was very much loving the summer season. I did not want it to be forced upon me this fall season with these pumpkin spice lattes and pumpkins and things. I just wasn't ready for it. But today the air is a little bit crisper. The pumpkins were out in full force, and I said, okay, I'm almost there. So anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Please leave me a thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps this lovely little algorithm that we're fighting against. And leave me a comment down below just saying hi or whatever you want to say, or tell me something fun that happened this week. I would love to cheer on with you. If you need prayer requests, let me know. I'd love to pray with you. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. As always, I love each and every one of you. So excited for this journey that we are potentially going on. If you want more behind the scenes, follow me at Heart and Home Crew on Instagram. I'm keeping you guys like up to date, like what's going on. So you won't have to wait for a video. You can find out if we got this house. So thank you again, guys, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye, guys.